Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to cut a simple cut together A-line gown. For this gown you need your round bust measurement, your waist measurement, your shoulder measurement, and of course the gown length. Before I folded my cloth, I measured my client's gown length, which was 53 inches plus 1 inches allowance, making 54 out of my fabric. I measured 254, then I folded into 2, then folded into 4. Then I started out by measuring my bust measurement, which was 42 inches, sorry. Then I divided into 4. Then I added my allowance. On my bust measurement, I measured the armhole. Remember I said this is a cut together, so we don't really have any sleeve attached to this. I measured my armhole on my bust measurement. Then I measured my waist. Then I aligned the lines, the waistline and the bust line together down to the bottom of my dress. Then I measured my neck depth and my neck width. I used a 4 by 4 inches. What I mean by 4 by 4 is my neck depth is 4 inches and my neck width is also 4 inches. For my sleeve, I try to give it a curvy shape so that it will not be straight. I try to give it a hairline shape as well. For the armhole, I used 13 inches because my client is a bit busty. As you can see the lines. Then I went to the bottom of the dress. I measured 2 inches. 2 inches because I want to give it a curvy shape. As you can see. Then I cut out the excesses and cut out my dress. It is that simple. It's a very simple tutorial. Very simple, and you just cut out your dress and that is all. Make sure that you add allowance to it. Add allowance to your measurement when you are cutting out. Then give it a nice sewing and a nice press when you are done. I promise it's going to come out really good when you follow this process. It's a very simple one. Just give it a nice cuff, an hair-shaped cuff, so that it will not be a boring sleeve. Then you cut out the excess. As you can see, it is curvy. And I cut out the down part as well. Then you bring your clothes to the sewing machine after cutting your neck depth. This neck depth does not mean it has to be 4 inches. It is not a constant. It depends on how wide and how deep you want your neckline to be. But I decided to use a 4 by 4 based on my client's request. It's a very simple tutorial. You can just try it out.